How to create playlists on your YouTube channel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create playlists on your YouTube channel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to youtube.com and log into your account, and now go to the YouTube Studio dashboard right here. Click on YouTube Studio, and now this is the YouTube Creator Studio dashboard. All what you have to do to create playlist is go to this option of playlists right here, and now it will take you to this page. Right now I don't have any playlist right here. If you want to create new, just click on this blue option right here, and now choose the playlist title, the title of the playlist, for example music, and choose if you want it public or private, and then click create. Now the playlist is created, as you can see, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.